We'll find
Stormy day it has been for the north and parts of the west of Britain, with gusts to 80 miles an hour recorded in both Dublin and Fort William, but it's been windy down this western side as well. Gusts to 30 miles an hour almost as far southeast as London. Well, the winds, I think the worst of them have gone now, though Shetland will be windy for the next few hours, and overnight they'll gradually die down, so would all of us be in West Ellesmere, 33 millimetres, but even down the south coast of England and in the east, 3 or 4 millimetres is not to be sneezed at. Now, the radar now shows that most of the substantial rain's out of the way. We're still seeing showers coming into western Scotland, even in towards the century. You may not believe that after today's rain, but take a look on a wider scale over the whole of Europe, and I think we might by the end of the next 20 seconds or so. There's 3 definite areas in Europe. This has been very sunny today in the south and the west. We're in the unsettled zone, and further east, what you might expect a good deal of cloud. The temperatures have reflected that. How about 22 degrees in Paris? And how many 100 miles is that from London? Not many. More usual temperatures to be found in Vienna and on the coast in Italy, in Brindisi. Now, unfortunately, fortunately, of course, if you're a gardener, we're in the battle zone between the warm and the cold air. That's given us plenty of rain today. Now, the chart looks quite complicated. It simplifies to some degree by lunchtime tomorrow. The low over northern Scotland, the fronts have whipped through with a northwesterly flow, which hopefully will make the forecast rather easier. The rain came quite early today to the southern part of England, moved steadily through the Midlands, through Wales into northern England. At the same time, it's eased into Northern Ireland and is heading across in towards southwest Scotland at the moment. There's a lot of cloud above it, but there's definitely a change out to the west. This clearer air is heading our way. So I think by the end of the night, most of the rain will be confined to northern Scotland, but probably still hanging on through East Anglia and parts of southeast England. So a lot of wet ground and little cloud around, which means fog could well be a problem, I think especially for central parts of England. The winds falling light will aid that fog formation. During tomorrow, though, let's say we all turn around and we're in a northwesterly breeze, quite stiff through Northern Ireland down towards northwest England as well. Light temperatures, nothing to worry about, 3 to 5 degrees generally. And we pick up the rainfall at 7 o'clock in the morning. Across the southeast, as I said, still across Scotland. Throughout the day, it'll take a long time to move away from that southeastern quadrant, and showers already packing in through Northern Ireland, Scotland, also down to the West Country and through Wales as well. So starting off with a few bursts of heavy rain, that'll dry up, or at least it'll lighten during the morning. Already, though, we're seeing showers down the West Country. They could, of course, have been there all night. 1 or 2 of them fairly heavy, and possibly getting through inland now and again during the day. Temperatures on the whole average, but I think in the sheltered parts of East, help the weather forecasters, but I'm not entirely convinced